up top. After all this, some of this floor was taken up. We took up this floor from here, come back about 4 or 5 foot, took all this floor out when we did all the repairs on those beams underneath. This floor was in decent shape. We were able to put most of this floor back down. This floor over here was kind of pieced together in really rough shape over the years. And so we tore this floor back. Well, we tore this floor back a pretty good ways until we got back to some decent flooring. Replaced it with 1.5 inches. Those are 8-inch wide boards, tongue and groove. That's going to make for one heck of a sturdy, strong floor. As you can see, he's already brought some bales in here. Stacking his bales in the barn, using his barn for what the barn's made for. He's real happy with how this turned out. He could drive his tractors in and out on this floor once again, and not worry about falling through. So this is kind of what it looks like from up top after the repair's done. Everything was jacked up, everything was braced, some new floor put down, and this farmer is as happy as can be. Hey, here we are. This is after the project's been done. We got our beam built, we got our posts in, we got everything all braced up. We used structural screws and everything. We got some mounting brackets on the bottoms of our posts, keep everything locked in. All of our joists and everything are all sistered up and beefed up. Everything's got our floor in up above. You see we did both openings. That way, no matter which door they open, where they pull in, how they're loading, hay or straw or equipment or whatever they go putting into this barn, the floor is going to hold now. So everything looks good down here. It's all buttoned up.